To make mask from hanky, what we need is 1 clean hanky and 2 hair rubber bands. Now, first we are going to open it. Now, up to middle line, we are going to fold it into 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Like this we will fold, and from right and left we will fold up to here. Now we are going to take rubber bands. Now this one, like this we will do. Same another side we also we will do. Now we are going to keep it properly like this. Now this is our mask we can wear. Children, before wearing mask, you have to be sure that your hands are clean. So this is our mask that we have made right now with handkerchief and rubber band. Children, make sure that there is no gap between your mask and your face.
Be careful not to touch your eyes, nose and mouth immediately after removing your mask. You should hand wash your mask by gently rubbing in warm water with mild soap. Today in craft, we will make file holder or file organizer. In this, you can save your important documents. I have made this holder with the help of cardboard. First, I am taking two equal size sheet, or you can also take drawing sheets, and fold it as shown. Now I am going to paste A4 size sheet on alternate folds along one edge. Similarly, I am pasting the sheets along the other edge. Paste A4 sheets based on the number of pockets you want in the folder. Now take two cardboard pieces bigger than A4 sheets and paste tape as shown. After pasting tape, covered cardboard pieces with gift paper, or you can also use A4 color sheets. Now paste as shown. If your cardboard sheet is visible, take another color sheet and hide it. Now our file holder is ready. You can write your name or decorate it as you want.